Hey everyone! Welcome back to Decor Insider. If you are planning to update your bathroom in 2026, this video is for you. Today, we'll explore the top 8 bathroom trends that make your space look modern, calm, and full of style. Let's dive in and see what's new. Earthy and grounded color palettes. Say goodbye to cold white bathrooms. In 2026, warm earthy tones are in, like olive green, soft beige, and terracotta. These colors make your bathroom feel natural, cozy, and more relaxing, like a small home spa. Rich textures and natural materials. Texture adds life to your bathroom. You'll see more fluted stone, ribbed tiles, and smooth plaster walls. They don't just look beautiful, they feel special and add depth to the space. Sculptural forms and curves. Curves are replacing sharp lines. Rounded bathtubs, curved mirrors, and flowing vanities create a soft and calm atmosphere. This style feels more comfortable and soothing to the eye. Quiet luxury finishes. Luxury in 2026 is all about subtle details. Think brushed brass, matte black fixtures, and soft stone textures. These finishes look elegant without being flashy, simple, rich, and timeless. Spa-like wellness layout. Bathrooms are now designed as places to relax. Freestanding tubs, rainfall showers, and aromatherapy lights create that peaceful spa vibe at home. It's all about turning daily routines into soothing moments. Bold accent walls and patterns. If you love personality, this trend is for you. Try a bold tile wall, patterned stone, or artistic wallpaper behind your vanity or tub. It adds a creative touch and makes your bathroom truly stand out. Soft ambient lighting layers. Lighting sets the mood. In 2026, layered lighting is key. Warm LEDs, glowing mirrors, and soft under-cabinet lights. It makes your bathroom feel cozy, inviting, and beautifully lit at any time of day.